especially to my instructor, Ma'am Nelly Janilyn M. Pagayon, and to my fellow classmates, good evening. Today, I want to talk about something very special, teaching. Teaching is the noblest profession, and being should deserve the best preparation and the best candidates. A profession is a job that people do to earn living. There are many jobs in the world, like teachers, doctors, police, farmers, and more. All jobs are important, but some people ask, what is the noblest profession? The noblest profession means the most respected or honorable job. It is the kind of work that helps others and makes the world a better place. People who do this job care about others, not just money. Being a teacher is one of the most important jobs in the world because teachers help students reach their dream, and teachers need to be ready and trained well. They should know how to teach in a way that children can understand. We often hear that teaching is the noblest profession, and I truly believe that. Why? Because every doctor, engineer, artist, or scientist once sat in a classroom. Behind every successful person, there was a teacher who lit the path. Teachers do more than just explain lessons. They shape minds, they build dreams, and they guide us when we feel lost. They give us the tools to understand the world and to become a better people. A teacher does not just teach math or science. They teach kindness, patience, honesty, and hard work. They help us grow not just in knowledge, but in characters. And the best part, the most teachers do all this not for fame or money, but because they care, they believe in us. Teaching helps children learn how to read, write, count, and think. Without teachers, there would be no doctors, engineers, or scientists. Teachers do not only teach lessons from books. They also teach children how to be kind, honest, and respectful. A good teacher helps a child grow up to be a good person. Teachers have a big heart. They work hard they when even when they are tired. They care about their students and want them to be succeed in life. And also, teachers they cheer you on when you do well and help you when you make a mistakes. Even if a teacher is not rich, they are rich in love and respect. Many people remember their teacher for life because teachers change lives. Some people also say that being a doctor is the noblest profession because doctors save lives and help sick people feel better. But always remember, doctors were once students too, students taught by teachers. So, teaching is very special. It is the beginning of all others professions. Without a teacher, there would be no one to guide us as when we are young. A noble profession is not just about wearing a uniform or earning a lot of money. It is about helping others, being honest, and making the world a better. So, If someone asks what is the noblest profession, the answer can be teaching. Because teachers build dreams, shapes futures, and touch hearts forever. Teaching also helps children believe in themselves. Sometimes, when a child feels shy or scared, a teacher gives them courage with kind words. A teacher is like a second parent in school. They take care of children, guide them, and teach them right from wrong. They want the best for every student, and teachers help every child, even those who find learning hard. They are patient and never give up anyone. When you make a mistake, a teacher does not agree, angry. They help you learn from it. They teach you that mistakes are part of growing. Teachers also teach respect, teamwork, and how to share. These are not written in books, but they are important in life. Even when no one sees their hard work, teachers keep going. They prepare lessons, check papers, and think of ways to help each student learn better. In many places, teachers are not paid much, but they still do their job with love because they care about the futures of children. A teacher's work never ends. Even after school, they think about their students. They remember who needs help and who is doing well. When children grow up and become a good people, teachers feel proud. It means their work has made a big difference in the world. They work quickly, but their impact is loud. Every child who learns something new carries the light of teachers' hard work. So, we should always thank our teachers. They are real life heroes. They guide us, support us, and help us reach our dreams. Truly, teaching is not just a job, it is a gift. That's why teaching is not just any job. Is not any job. It is the one of the noblest profession. Teachers don't just teach inside the classroom. Sometimes they listen when we are sad. They give advice when we feel lost. They make school feel like a second home. They also teach us how to dream big. A teacher might tell a child, you can be a doctor or you can be a great artist, and that is simple sentence can change a life. Teachers face many challenges too. Some students are noisy, some don't listen, and some struggle to learn. But still, teachers try again and again with love and patience. Even during hard times like storms, sickness, or problems at home, teachers still show up and give their best for their students. When we look back, we don't always remember every lesson, but we remember the teachers who made us feel smart, brave, and important. A teacher's words can stay in our hearts forever. A simple good job or I believe you can make a child feel strong and happy. That is the magic of teaching. It is it is not just about books. It is about building people one child at a time. So, if you ever want to help others change lives and make the world better, consider become a teacher. It is the noble and beautiful path Only the best and most caring people should become a teacher because they shape the future of every child. If we want a better world, we need the best teachers to guide us. To become a great teacher, a person needs to be well prepared and trained because teachers share their knowledge and help students understand new things. They should also be kind, patient, and smart. Not everyone can be a good teacher. That's why we need the best people to become a teachers so they can guide children to have a better future. In the end, a teacher may not wear a cape, but they are true heroes. That is why teaching will always the noblest profession in the world. So, to all the teachers out there, thank you. You are the builders of tomorrow. You are true heroes. Let us always respect and appreciate our teachers because teaching really is the noblest profession. Teaching don't stop being teachers when the bell rings. Even after class, they think about how to help their students. Some even spend their own money to buy things for school. Why? Because they care. They want their students to learn and be happy. Sometimes students don't see all the hard work that teachers do, but that's okay because teachers don't teach for attention. They teach because they love helping children grow. They love seeing their students smile, learn, and reach their dreams. When we grow up, we will look back and remember our teachers. We will remember the ones who believe in us, who helped us when we were sad, and who cheered for us when we did well. Their words and love stay in our hearts forever. That is why teaching is not just a job, it is a mission. A teacher touches many lives, and every life they touch becomes a light in the world. So, if you ever think about what you want to be when you grow up, think about being a teacher. You will not just earn money, you will earn love, respect, and the joy of changing lives. Let us always say thank you to our teachers. Let us listen to them, respect them, and make them proud. Because teachers are not just workers, they are life changers, and that is why I believe with all my heart that teaching is the noblest profession. Thank you, and may we all grow up to make our teachers proud. That's all. Thank you.